Hi friends, happy morning to one and all. First of all, thanks for opening this video. I request you to watch till end. In this video, I tell the information about the upcoming mobiles Moto G6 and Moto G6 Play. These two phones are coming with the different variants and they will come in the next month in the online markets. And in these mobiles, camera is different from other mobiles. This has dual camera and this has the 18 is to 9 aspect ratio, and it has a slim body, and it has a 5.7 inches screen. And the G6 special specifications are RAM 4 GB and internal memory 64 GB, and the backside two cameras, that means dual cameras are 12 megapixel and 5 megapixel, and front side 8 megapixel. This mobile has the battery capacity was 3000 mAh, and the MRP for this mobile was 15,000 rupees. And coming to another phone, Moto G6 Play, the RAM was 3 GB and internal memory 32 GB, and it also consists of dual cameras, and the back camera has 13 megapixel and front camera has 8 megapixel, and the capacity of this battery was 4000 mAh, and the MRP for this phone was 10,000 rupees. These are the mobiles which will be launched in India in the next month in the online markets. Who are interested in buying this can buy it in the online markets like Amazon, Flipkart, etc. Thanks for watching friends. If you like the information in this video, you can subscribe to our channel.